my name is Divik, and today I have designed and made an RC car, a remote controlled car. In this, we have the 4 motors, and the 4 motors are connected all to a battery, and the battery has been connected to a motor driver. So the motor driver's job is to decide and do what the microprocessor tells it, and the microprocessor controls everything. So the microprocessor here emits a Wi-Fi, and this Wi-Fi I can connect it to my mobile phone. So in the mobile phone, after coding an app, we can now control the RC car, and we can give it directions: forward, backward, side, and side. That's all. And this is one of the applications of Wi-Fi. Thank you.